Clerk, good morning. How can I help you today? Let's look at some useful words before we start. An account is a service from a bank where you keep your money. For example, I want to open an account for my new job. Identification is an official document that shows who you are. For example, you need identification, like a passport, to open an account. To deposit means to put money into your account. For example, she wants to deposit $200 today. To withdraw means to take money out. For example, he can withdraw cash from the machine outside. Your balance is the amount of money in your account. For example, you can check your balance on your phone. Interest is extra money the bank pays you for saving. For example, this account gives 2% interest every year. A statement is a document showing your payments and deposits. For example, the bank sends me a statement every month. Clark, good morning. How can I help you today? Maria, hi. I just moved to this city. I want to open an account. Clark, no problem. Do you have identification with you? Maria, yes, here is my passport. Clark, thank you. And do you have proof of your address? Maria, yes, I have a letter from my landlord. Clark, perfect. What type of account do you want? Maria, I'm not sure. What are my options? Clark, we have a basic account and we have a savings account. The savings account gives you interest. Maria, how much interest? Clark, 2% per year, but you can't take money out very often. Maria, I think I need a basic account then. I want to use my money often. Clark, that's a good choice. With this account, you can deposit and withdraw money any time. Maria, great. How do I deposit money today? Clark, you can give me cash now, or you can transfer money from another bank later. Maria, I have some cash. I want to deposit $300. Clark, okay, let me count that. Yes, $300. Maria, thank you. Can I check my balance on my phone? Clark, yes, we have a free app. You can see your balance and your statement there. Maria, that's helpful. How often do I get a statement? Clark, every month, but you can also see it any time in the app. Maria, perfect. One more question. Can I withdraw money from any machine? Clark, you can use our machines for free. Other banks might charge a small fee. Maria, I understand. Thank you for your help. Clark, you're welcome. Here is your card. It will arrive by mail in 5 days. Maria, great, thank you. Have a nice day. Clark, you too, Maria. Welcome to the bank. Let's check your understanding. Answer these questions from the dialogue you just heard. Let's remember our words. An account is a service from a bank where you keep your money. He opened a new account last week. Identification is a document that shows who you are. Please show your identification at the desk. To deposit means to put money in. I need to deposit my paycheck today. To withdraw means to take money out. She wants to withdraw $50. Your balance is how much money you have. My balance is higher this month. Interest is extra money from saving. This account offers good interest. A statement shows your payments. I read my statement every month. Great work today. Check the playlist for episode 8 of Everyday Conversations. Don't forget to download our free PDF workbook to practice these words.